mixed into the action here.
Rex, in the meantime, looking like some freshman stumbling out of a frat party, walking down the road, taking its time. And here comes Witchdoctor. Oh! That's friendly fire. Witchdoctor just took out Baby Shaman.
Oh, big hit on Rex.
Witchdoctor comes in and tosses Rex into the screws. Let the adults play, kid. Now she squares up Bite Force. Oh!
Witchdoctor thrown in the air, stuck between two big weapons. What's gonna happen here, Chris?
Now Bite Force and Rex are teaming up on Witchdoctor. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Rex just launched Witchdoctor out of the arena. And now Bite Force turns its attention to Rex. Oh, no! Both bots just circling, stunned by that initial hit. Neither is showing their directional movement. They're just trying to regain consciousness. It's like the end of Rocky II, Kenny.
That's right, Chris. Who's gonna get that weapon of theirs to work first?
Oh, Warhead's back up.
And complete control, finally getting that flame going.
So both bots have regained consciousness here.
Whoa! It just sliced right through complete control.
Oh! Oh, no, no, there goes Warhead on its side.
Starting to lose it here, Chris.
Uh-oh, that spinner is spinning out of control.
That's what we were worried about.
Okay, steady, Sword.
Warhead has steadied himself, but complete control hasn't moved since Warhead sliced right through him.
It's on fire!
Big burst of flame. Let's see if Warhead can self-right itself.
Get it back over, son. Get it back over, man. Get it back over.
Warhead, he's done it! Oh! What did we just witness, Kenny?
Are you kidding me?
Whoa! That's
Look
just
there for Bronco.
Stinger's gotta get out. Oh, wait! Bronco caught on the screws! Can it get off? Look at this thing! Try to drive off! Remember, it can't drive inverted some way, but it's gotta flip itself back over, and it does!
Amazing driving skills from Bronco. Wow!
Whoa! And look at that flame getting under Bronco! You gotta look out for those kill saws, one of the half-dozen hazards inside the BattleBot. Bronco goes right over him saying, I don't care about those hazards. Oh, he nails him! Whoa, Bronco!
What a hit from Bronco!
That was like filet mignon getting flipped into the air.
That is it! That
No!
is gonna be it! Bronco with the kill shot!
And Becca Rampage just ripped something off. Look at this. Gary Gin and free shipping has lost one of its forklifts. It's down to just one forky thing.
Uh-oh, now Becca Rampage is smoking. Oh!
Oh, but some serious playing. He is going after both bots. He's got Becca Rampage in the corner. And now Duck is in on it too.
Gary Gin is an
Oh!
angry man!
Nice move. As Duck puts Becca Rampage in the corner. And here comes free shipping.
Oh! Huge hit there!
Hey, Becca Rampage is on fire trying to distinguish himself.
Oh! These hits are devastating!
Free shipping has lost his back left wheel. And free shipping has a hold of Becca Rampage. He's cooking him alive, Kenny. Oh, now we got three bots. It's bot orgy. Folks, turn away if you're not over 17.
Duck trying to get underneath these bots, but it really is free shipping in that flame. And Becca Rampage with those devastating hits, taking pieces off every bot in there.
Oh, just missing on the pulverizer was Bombshell. Oh!
Complete control has complete control of Bombshell.
What's he gonna do with him?
Oh, he's burning him up as well. That is big time damage from complete control. He's roasting him like a marshmallow, Chris.
Enzo, grab the chocolate and the graham crackers. I want some s'mores, Kenny.
That's for later. Right now, these guys are going at it.
At some point, he's gotta let him go. You can lift and hold a bot for 30 seconds if you're moving around, but they're getting close.
Can't hold him forever here.
So there you go. There's the official release, but it looks like somebody's smoking. Bombshell's clearly taking major damage.
Bombshell is cooked right now, Chris.
The main event begin. Sawblaze trying to get around to the side of Uppercut.
Oh!
commotion in the battle box. Whoa! That was unbelievable. Uppercut continuing to go to work.
Chris, this is an extremely powerful weapon. Wow!
Oh! Jameson goes grounding Kenny, being picked apart by his own student. Oh! Look at the power as it's just destroying Sawblaze. Unreal.
And Black Dragon can't get too overconfident. We've seen Ribot come back from beatings before like they did against Uppercut.
Oh! A huge shot, and that frog head is finished.
Uh-oh, look at Black Dragon is starting to heat up, Chris.
Oh, overheating, Kenny. It is smoking.
It sure is. It looks to me like they may have burned out their primary weapon in that big collision.
So yes, the weapon is no longer working on Black Dragon. Ribot has spent much of his life being inverted, and now Black Dragon is on fire. Not in a good way.
Oh my goodness!
This is a major, major issue.
Yeah, Black Dragon needs a knockout, potentially, to win this fight. I'm not sure they can last another minute and 40 seconds, Chris.
Well, they just had Ribot up on the screws and seems to still be driving okay, but the question, for how long? If Ribot just stays in the middle of the battle box, eventually Black Dragon is going to stop running. But look at this, Black Dragon is trying to take Ribot under a pulverizer, trying to do something to it. Oh, there's a hit, but Ribot says, I'm going to keep running. I don't think you can, Fireboy.
Chris, 9 times out of 10, when we see a bot on fire like this, it dies almost instantly. Black Dragon just not backing down.
Black Dragon still running, completely on fire as we close in on the 1 minute mark.
I mean, we knew these were 2 tough bots, but did we know they were this tough? Wow!
Unbelievable. Oh, and the Black Dragon is
getting
really
worse.
going up in smoke.
Black Dragon has about 50 seconds to survive this fire, Chris.
This is unreal. Black Dragon has been on fire for well over a minute and is still being the more aggressive bot.
And they are winning this fight, Chris. Ribot has to find a way to right themselves and get involved in this pushing match, because right now they are getting controlled and dominated by a bot that just happens to be engulfed in flames.
David Jin's team, I'm sure, just waiting, expecting Black Dragon to die, but the Brazilians, they've shown no indication of slowing down. In fact, somehow they continue to attack.
Black Dragon might pull this off here. I think they're going to survive.
This is unreal. The last few seconds, Black Dragon trying to make one more push to impress the judges.